Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. And friends, TCS has released exam date on 10th of March 2026, and the time will be 10 a.m. to 11:40 a.m. Okay, and there are some rules and guidelines also, but I would request you to please watch the complete video because this particular admit card and hiring date is for TCS tag TCS skill based hiring assessment. I will give you the complete detail, but the rules whatever I'm going to tell you for this examination, it will be same even for the TCS NQT exam as well. Many of the students were asking, sir, 10th of March 2026 the exam date is there, is it for free NQT? So no, it is not for free NQT, it is for TCS tag team, right? So TCS tag, you can see here, greetings from TCS tag team. We are happy to invite you for the TCS skill based hiring assessment. Below are the relevant details. 10th of March 2026 TCS skill based hiring assessment. Okay, so Srinivasa Ramanujam Institute of Technology, okay, village BK somewhere in Andhra Pradesh, 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. to 11:40 a.m. is the test timing. So friends, whenever your test is there, you have to reach 1 hour before. So as you know, TCS NQT exams will be starting from 10th of March onwards, right? So whatever time is there, like suppose 8 a.m. if your exam is there, or 9 a.m. if your exam is there, then you need to reach at least 1 hour before 8 a.m. Okay, so that is the first thing you have to keep in mind. Please go through all the below here important points, below very important points. Okay, so the points is going to be same for your all other examination. And one more thing friends, we have already started with the free preparation here. If you will see, right, so live courses we have created, TCS NQT crash course free preparation 2026. And then also if you go to the live section, already lot of live classes are happening. Today also we have one class from 11:30 for Python, okay, and then we have 6 p.m. for Java. Already yesterday reasoning mock test we did. So a lot of activities already we are doing it on our channel. Even videos in the form of videos also we are making you prepare for the examination. Okay, anyway, now let's see what are the rules and all for this TCS examination. So these are the things even which you have to carry for the TCS NQT documents also. So please go through all the very important points carefully. Okay, documents to carry for the test process. So latest passport size photograph. Okay, so friends, one passport size photograph is required. So if you don't have it, please get it right away. TCS application form, you need to download and print your TCS application form. Resume and pen, paper they will be giving you in the exam. Okay, so resume is not basically required, but you can have pen. Pen you take, and then paper they will be giving you. One government ID photo and proof, Aadhaar card and PAN card is required. Aadhaar card friends please take, or DL you take. PAN card generally will not be considered as a government photo ID proof. So PAN card if you are taking, along with that one more document you have to take. All education documents, so this is optional. Okay, so if available, this is this you don't have to take for your exam. Please do not bring any electronics gadget devices for the interview, USB drive, laptop, hard disk. Okay, do not carry any valuable with you, so don't carry 1 kg or 2 kg of gold. Okay, so otherwise it will be difficult if somebody steals. Okay, and dress code will be formal, so formal dress code only will be there. Okay, next friends, see one thing, please do subscribe to the YouTube channel so that timely update, even if there is small update also we will be giving it to you. Okay, so next is, so you will have to make your own travel accommodation arrangement for the appearing for the assessment. So it's not like TCS will be paying you by train ticket kitna hua, so we will pay you. No, so not like that. Only candidates would be allowed inside the venue. Parents, friends, relative, etc. will not be allowed inside the interview venue. So this is for your exams or interview. There will not be any facility of taking printouts at the interview venue. So please carry all the documents. Kindly note, any candidate found to be indulged in any malpractices will be sent back immediately. They will be disqualified from the process and not be allowed to attend any further interview. TCS does not charge any fee at the stage of recruitment or selection process, nor has authorized anyone to charge. Kindly be informed that eligibility criteria as informed to you as part of the application process is checked at multiple stages during the selection process. Any discrepancy in the eligibility criteria at any hiring stage may lead to the disqualification of your candidature. Okay, so friends, that's what I wanted to tell you. This is for the TCS tag, not for the TCS free NQT, but whatever the documents and the timing, so all those things will remain same. Okay, and I told you what all documents are required, okay, about the accommodation. So these are the important thing which you have to take care of that. Okay, so thank you. This might because many of the students were asking, sir, 10th of March there is exam, 10th of March there is exam. So if we'll talk about TCS free NQT, so TCS free NQT date is not yet announced, and the exam will be after 10th of March. It might be on 15th, it might be on 16th, we don't know the exact date, so we have to see for it, we have to wait for it. But now please be ready, keep your preparation, keep doing the preparation, and let us hope for the best. Aapki baar TCS par. Thank you, take care, bye bye.